Hello everyone, I'm Megumi from the Crash Bandicoot franchise. Now, before this episode begins, I want you to know that we have cracked down to 43 subscribers. I now realize that fall is getting nearer and nearer, and that times have changed and all, and leaks of Wumpa League have been announced lately, so I also realize that Halloween is getting nearer. So before this episode begins, I want you to know the developers are taking some serious time to release Wumpa League and announce it as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the episode.
Trouble Crunch? There is something need to be said. Fool before quiet. Mutants like you, Dingle-Dial, I understand. You use your car horn for the corn layers, but some of it is most excessive. It isn't wrong, of course, but... Puh, I reckon it's my case. Have Dingle-Dial come to complain about Tiny car horn? Tiny heard quite enough from Crunch. Already, I'm not complaining. I'm concerned, mate. I've never heard you make such a racket before. This blasted new car, the blasted Tiny car horn, is a toy. Blows it at any chance it gets, too long and much too loud. Tiny Tail mechanics to stop, but they only laugh.
I quite understand. You know, the mole on my cheek, left cheek for instance, knows what to do. My experience, new mechanics seem to learn their lesson rather quickly.
Well, it can happen quickly enough.
You're going to aware now that you're strange. Nonsense. Mutants like him are used to it. Why give him a big booming answer if we're not going to use it? I don't think you understand which mutant you're assisting. Megumi, he'll never want to use his car horn again if you're through with him. Whoa, Tiny. When do we get some of that peace and quiet you're always moaning about?
Indeed, little sister, Coco.
I think Tiny over here should take his problems and just honk his horn them away and...
That's a very funny one, Ami. Good one.
Yeah, good one.
Would Liz stop that? If this journey were hard enough without Megumi making any noise and racket.
We have to let everyone know we're coming, especially in this mist, don't we?
I don't see the problem, fool. He'll get used to it, you'll see, mate.
Yeah, you'll see.
Tiny glad you're Liz and Megumi making sense. But this is the one time we have to honk our horns.
I can't. Yeah, something's jammed.
Look out! Look out! Thank you, Tana.
Anytime, Tiny, anytime.
I'm very proud of you, Tiny. You've never told me how you honk so loudly before. Your quick thinking is such a has preferred you in such a nasty accident. We'll soon have your car repaired, but for now, I'm sure you'll enjoy weightlifting with Ami and Crunch, free moments of peace. Oh, thank you, Aqua.